Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something really exciting for you. This is a brand new video on Roblox, and we are playing the reveals game. So, let's get started. Right now, I'm already inside the game. As you can see, there are so many cool items here. Some of these items look really amazing, and yes, a lot of players don't even know how to get them. Let me show you around a bit. Here you can explore different areas, unlock new rewards, and collect useful items. Now I'm going to play a little so you can see how the game actually works. As you can see, it's really fun and easy to play. You just need to keep progressing and collecting rewards step by step. Make sure you play regularly, because the more you play, the more chances you get to unlock rare items. Now listen carefully. Later in this video, I'll be sharing some working codes that can give you free rewards. So don't skip, because you don't want to miss them. Before we go to the codes, I want you to do 3 simple things. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. I'll be choosing some random players and sending them free rewards or gifts. So comment fast. The earlier you comment, the higher your chances. I'm serious. Drop your username right now. I'll check them personally. And one more thing, at the end of this video, I've kept a special secret code just for you. Almost nobody knows about it, so stay till the end. Alright, now let's move to the codes file first. Open the game and look for the codes option. Usually, you'll find it in the rewards section or settings menu. Now type the codes exactly as I say, because even one wrong letter can make them invalid.